we left this morning Myrtle Beach and we're on our way to Charleston.
And so on our way we're making a little stop at Prosser's Barbecue, which is known to be one of the best barbecue spots in the area, as well as good Southern cooking as well too. So we'll show you on the inside. Got a bunch of different things to try. This is the crab cake, fried chicken, which is supposedly one of the best ever. Biscuits, which look homemade. The chicken bog, which has chicken, sausage, rice. That looks delicious. And then on the other side, I got some coleslaw. And this was a sweet potato pie that looks absolutely delicious. And then some tomatoes and a little bit of onion for some taste.
To make it healthy.
To make it healthy, exactly. And then a little bit of dessert, I have cobbler. And this is a peach cobbler.
The crab cake, cold soup. This I forgot what it was. Some pork. Pulled pork. The broccoli
Casserole. It was a broccoli casserole.
The collard greens. Fried chicken. The biscuits here, specialty from the south. And to make it look healthy, I added a few cucumbers and tomatoes. So excited to cook it. I'll try the pulled pork. Next, pulled pork. Really tasty. There's a hint of maybe lemon. It's like really lemony, and then there's a bite at the end.
I'm going in for the chicken bog, which is delicious looking rice. You know, I have to say that this is one of my favorite dishes here in the South so far. It is very simple. It's just chicken. There is a wonderful sausage or pork and rice, and it is greasy. It's not greasy. It's so simple and so delicious. Love it. So I'm going in for the fried chicken next. For this one, I'm going to use my hands. This is good. It's very lightly fried and perfectly seasoned on the inside. It's moist and It is surprisingly good. It is not dry at all. This is good.
Woo, we're stuffed.
Yeah, just leaving processors now, and wow, we've eaten quite a bit.
Yes, quite impressed with the quality of the food.
I think my favorite was the chicken bog, and it is just chicken, rice, and bits and pieces of pork, and it just, the flavors really work. It was absolutely to die for. I mean, everything was great, but in my opinion, the chicken bog was my favorite. What about you?
My favorite, I think, was the fried chicken. I really liked the way it was fried lightly, and the chicken was really fresh, really tender.
Yeah, this is a really, you can tell the place is very family friendly. It's Sunday afternoon. You see groups of people and families coming in. Rustic
A lot
place.
of people.
Yeah, very friendly staff. Really, a really nice area and a place to explore if you're in the Myrtle Inlet area. So great experience.